Welcome to She Speaks AI, the channel where we show you the world of artificial intelligence to empower you, the entrepreneurs, coaches, and creatives, with the knowledge and tools you need to start or grow your business using AI. I'm Tisha, your guide on this journey, and I've been exploring the intersection of AI and entrepreneurship, and I'm here to share my insights, experiences, and tips to help you harness the power of AI in your business. On this channel, we will explore topics like AI for marketing, AI-powered tools for productivity, and how AI can spark creativity in your projects. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale up, there's something here for you, but it's not just about me talking at you. I want this to be a community where we learn and grow together. So, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts, questions, and experiences in the comments below. Your input will shape the content we cover and the conversations we have. So, if you're ready to embrace the future and unleash the potential of AI in your life, you're in the right place. Welcome to She Speaks AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.